Hi, subscribers. Welcome to day 5 of our flashcards challenge. Uh, Previous on the last 2 days, we worked with De, then we worked with Shi. And On day 5, our main focus, we're trying to find, we are trying to find Bu. Bu is a word which means no. So we're going to go through these flashcards and see which ones we remember and the ones that we don't remember. So remember, we've been doing this for quite a few days now, this being day 5. We started with just identifying a few of the flashcards that we know out of a 284 deck. So let me not waste time and just go through and see how many cards we know before we get to our target card, which is Bu. So let's start. This is Lao. This is Che. This is Piao. Bu, we're looking for a different Bu, which means no. So I've identified these cards wrong. This is Cai. Wu. Jia. Dong. Ming. Bing. Mei. Ni. Lai. Si. Wu. Hui. Cai. Yue. Ba. Ban. Shui. Chu. Ji. Yi. Wu. A. Cow. Ko. That's cow. Ko. I'll pronounce it next time. Fei. Ma. Yuan. Shui. Yu. I got it wrong. Shi. Da. This one I'm putting this side because it was flipped up alright. Mei. Xiao. Shao. Liang. Shang. Cong. Le. Shi. Jia. Wei. This is book. This is Shu. Shen. Leo. Bu. This is our target word that we're looking for. We're looking for Bu. So let's put it aside and see how many more words, how many more characters, how many more flashcards we can identify. This is Zhong, Sheng, sure, ren, ch, jiu, mu, wen, share, ta, ye, sorry, zhi, jiu, xiao, pian, ming, xiao, zhang, kan, wen, gong, so that's gong, me, an, nu, sorry, nu, especially nu for daughter. I confuse these two with female and daughter. Ma, niao, zhe, wan, cai, men, pa, ma, da, bei, wo, yo, I said wo, tian, dian, duo, yang, hao, ke, che, shan, ba, wo, san, xia, si, ta, zi, bi, ge, jin, lao, shi, sorry. I always confuse Lao and Shi because Lao is part of Lao Shi teacher. I always confuse this character with its counterpart. Like Zi, Men, Ke, yeah, I just didn't pronounce it. Ke, Shi, Zo, Zuo. So let's see how many characters we got correct now. I remember at some other day it was we had something like 40 if I'm not mistaken, but let's see how many we got correct today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So we can say that we got a total of 60 characters, because there is some characters which I know of which are still on this patch. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, drop a comment below, and join me for tomorrow's challenge. We are trying to identify one character each day so that we finish this batch. After that, what we're going to do, we are going to start making sentences with the characters. Remember, the first day was da, then we got she, then we got boo. So tomorrow, our character which we're going to be looking for is Tsai. Tsai is our next character that we're going to be looking for. Thank you for watching. Please drop a comment below. This is set up for kids to watch as well, to learn and play along. But like the video and join me for tomorrow's session.